मेरे पीछे आप देख सक रहे होंगे आई लव GK1, ये ग्रेटर कैलाश का मार्केट है, मार्केट 1 है यहाँ का। और हम लोग दिल्ली चुनाव में लोगों से बात करने के लिए निकले हुए थे। थोड़ी देर पहले एक हादसा हुआ, ये गुरुद्वारे के सामने, वहाँ पे एक बेसमेंट में किसी के घर में आग लग गई। तो हम लोग वहाँ से थोड़ा सा हमें वहाँ पे ज़्यादा समय लग गया और थोड़ा समय हम वहाँ पे गुजारना पड़ गया हमें वो स्टोरी कवर करने में। तो अब अंधेरा हो गया, अंधेरे में हम ग्रेटर कैलाश के मार्केट में भटक रहे थे कि कोई हमें लोग बात करने को मिल जाए, क्योंकि पॉश इलाका है तो लोग जल्दी बात करने के लिए रेडी नहीं होते। तो उसी बीच में 3 दोस्त मुझे एक दूसरे में बात करते हुए दिखाई दिए। आप देख सक रहे होंगे 2 लोग मेरे बगल में बैठे हुए हैं और एक दोस्त वहाँ पे अभी हैं, वो अभी थोड़ी देर में हो सकता है वो भी आएंगे। उनकी उनके साथ जो वाइफ सरलोकी हैं, वो लोग सब लोग वहाँ पे खरीदारी कर रही हैं। तो मुझे लगा कि ये 3 दोस्त हैं, रिटायर हो चुके हैं, इन्होंने दिल्ली को बदलते हुए देखा है। तो मैंने सोचा कि इनसे बात करते हैं कि आखिर दिल्ली का माहौल क्या चल रहा है। फिर थोड़ा मोड़ा बात करने पे पता चला कि ये इंडिया के हैं ही नहीं। तो आइए इनसे बात करते हैं और समझते हैं। लेकिन इनको इंडिया की राजनीति में और खासकर दिल्ली की राजनीति में बहुत नॉलेज है। तो आइए सर से मैं बात करता हूँ। सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम रतिलाल वाडेर
जी,
लंदन से।
लंदन से। सर, तो कोई तो कनेक्शन होगा इंडिया से?
बहुत ही कनेक्शन है। मेरा पिताजी मातुश्री और मेरा दादा सारा लोग इधर इंडिया में बोर्न हुए थे और हमारा अपब्रिंगिंग है वो तो इंडिया से कनेक्शन ही है पहले से। तो हमारा कल्चर है वो भी उधर ही है। तो पहले तभी तो पिताजी सारा कुछ बता दिया, लेकिन जो कनेक्शन था ना पहले जैसा अभी है ना, कि जब से मोदी जी आया ना तो तभी से उसने एक किस्म की एक किस्म का कुछ नॉलेज और कनेक्शन बनाया है। कि बोलता है कि देखो कि इन पॉलिटिक्स इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट, राइट, कि स्पेशली फॉर द ओवरसीज पीपल। सॉरी, मेरा इंग्लिश भी थोड़ा सा, मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है तो नहीं। तो जो वो उधर होता है एक किस्म का नेशनल प्राइड। हम इंडियन है तो हमने इंडिया एंड पॉलिटिक्स में तुमने सारा कुछ जो भी इधर टेलीविजन में मिलता है उधर मिलता है। एंड वी वेल कनेक्टेड। रोज सुनते हैं क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है।
आपको कितना साल हो गया? मतलब आप लोग यहाँ पे, आपने जन्म ही यहीं पे लिया था फिर वहाँ गए या वहीं पे आपका जन्म?
नहीं, मेरा मैं छोटा, मैं वाज 15 when I went to London and now I'm 75. So I've been there 60 years. And I grew up in there. But जो क्या हुआ कि जो छोटा था तभी कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेजिंग वर्क करता है फिर जाता है। बट एज ही ग्रो अप कनेक्शन विद इंडिया जास्ती। तो पहले मैंने चारधाम यात्रा किया, बाद में मैंने अमरनाथ किया और विष्णु देवी का किया। तो लास्ट जस्ट बिफोर कोविड मैंने कैलाश किया, राइट। तो एक चीज़ मैंने करना था पिछले साल, राम जन्मभूमि, राम मंदिर अयोध्या, क्योंकि उधर है ना लंदन में ऐसा हमारा ग्रुप हो गया है कि वी फील फॉर इंडिया,
इंडियंस का ग्रुप।
हाँ, शायद वी आर वेरी पैट्रियोटिक इंडियंस, राइट। एंड व्हाट हैपन्स इन इंडिया we feel something good happening, not bad, good happening. So we see the changes in India, right? And that I think we are getting more closer to India than even we were before.
तो इसका कारण क्या रहा सर?
इसका मेन कारण एक ही है कि I think Modi has done a lot of things to because पहले क्या था कि जो they were very connected with जो पहले की गवर्नमेंट्स थी ना पहले, तो they were very connected with the British government, right? Because some very rich people from Britain were basically it was run from there, right? Whereas now really there's an Indian running an Indian. Before it was not an Indian running an Indian, right? Because even from Nehru to now, right, all this family and everything else and Congress party, I would say that they're very. If you go to London and ask anybody how many properties they have, they can tell you. And because they come quite often there, and apart from that, Italy as well, and on all the other places. So the feeling we get is that India is coming back to the Indians. right?
हाँ, वहाँ पे क्या फीलिंग है आप लोगों को?
फीलिंग
क्या
है
feeling आती होगी?
कि
मतलब
फीलिंग
India
है
में
कि आई थिंक अभी देयर इज अ फेस ऑन मोदी इज डूइंग वेल इन लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस एंड ही इज डन लॉट ऑफ गुड एंड he's got us together, especially foreign में आता है when he comes to London, you know the reception he gets is very good. Even to go America, I guess wherever he goes, even if he go to Arabstan, you know he gets a very good reception. He is now building especially the NRIs, especially for NRIs, he is giving that pride. पहले, you know, you could not say yourself you're an Indian because you know the people always look you down on it. Now Indian is a pride, and Indian, if you go to any IT firms, any other big firms, you'll find an Indian as a head of it. We were both. I mean, he was a very senior person in BT. British Telecom is a very big company, and I've done my bit as well. So I think it's given us a pride and joy to feel that India is progressing, and in even the population in wherever we are, they respect us a lot more now than they ever did before. I've been 60 years in UK, and I can tell you the difference it has brought in the last few years. In the last few years, it has changed completely the atmosphere in overseas completely, and depending this election, right? Now the election done properly, whereas before the election was done by some very rich people. You know, when it took back to the Rajwada. You know, when the king was there, a local king, looked after the people, but he never let the people. They made them rich or educated. They kept them uneducated and unconnected with outside world. So I'll give you food, I'll give you free food or a little bit of food, and I'll give you a little bit of kapda, but you know you stay poor for us.
आपको नीचे ही रहना पड़ेगा.
आपने नीचे रहना है, हमारे सामने कभी नहीं आना है. So that was the same thing which was the whole. We feel that the whole of India was run before, because the poor people are even today poor. I mean, after 75 years of independence, why do we have still poor people? I mean, if you come to the agriculture, we were exporting so much, right? So why are they poor in this country? They shouldn't be. Why are they not bringing up? And in the last few years, what we've seen is there is something. What is happening is that there is different classes, an upper class, middle class, and lower class. But lower class doesn't mean that they need to come to the next class up. But they need to be educated, and they need to be inclusive in the whole society.
अच्छा, तो ये एक तरीके से तो ये कहा जा सकता है, आप हो सकता है आप मोदी जी के फैन हो, आप बीजेपी
what is happening in India. That's Modi. I'm not personally, you know, I know his background and he's patriotic and everything is done. He's done a lot of hard work, and I'm not giving because of Modi. I'm giving it because of what's happening. What has happened in my lifetime.
मतलब आपने बदलते हुए देखा और आपको
that is the difference.
आप वहाँ से बैठ के जब न्यूज़ चैनल्स में और बाकी चीज़ों में यहाँ देखते हैं तो मतलब लगता है कि कुछ बदलाव हुआ है, अच्छा हुआ है.
और यहाँ I've been coming to this country almost every year, maybe once, twice, you know, for a long time. So the connection is there already, but I can see the country changing to a different level.
अच्छा, अब बात करें दिल्ली चुनाव की.
Delhi चुनाव is again, it's done on a computer, it's done on a program. Because there are people outside this country who are financing these people in Kejriwal and some of them. And then what they're doing is basically they look at where can you get the vote. There's no policy whatsoever, but you give them people free things, right? You give them free light, you give them free water, you give them free maybe other things to buy votes. But keep them free, you know, poor, keep them in where they belong to, not do nothing for them. It is only what is happening, it is just pure for votes, the buying votes, and that's how they're winning. But what what needs to be done is it. And I know even the BJP is also doing the same now. They have to do it.
अगर बात करें तो मैं ये भी जानना चाहूँगा, आपको ये तो पता होगा कि आम आदमी पार्टी ने 2100 रुपए देने का वादा किया हर महीने महिलाओं को, तो बीजेपी ने भी तो 2500 देने का वादा
But because they have no choice, because if you look at what happened in the last election, general election, what was happening was, you can see it absolutely that the reason why BJP did not do as well as they should have done is in the areas where they didn't do what the other parties were doing, right? The other party was buying votes. They were not giving them what they want. I mean, that's why they did it. Now, then the Maharashtra, you saw what happened. I mean, in the Maharashtra general election, BJP did very badly, right? Or they did badly over the country as well, but now the last Maharashtra local state election, they done very well.
Yes.
I mean, why did they do well? Is that now they're telling to the people, look, other people are giving you free things, right? We can give you free things as well, but we will also give you additional, right? Because people today, they think very short term, and advertising, marketing is what it is today. And today is not real policies. People are not thinking of future. Not thinking of future of themselves and their children. They are only thinking of the current things.
अच्छा, आपने मोदी जी के बारे में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताएंगे, तो अगर दिल्ली चुनाव पे ही रहे तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के बारे में क्या?
अरविंद केजरीवाल, I think हजारे के साथ जो भी साथ है ना, I was supporting him. हाँ, जो हजारे के साथ था, अन्ना हजारे से था, तो अभी I was supporting him because उसका जो हजारे का what he's trying to do is to bring the whole country up, and he's really had a heart in the right. He's got a heart in the right place to help the people, Admi, everybody, to bring them better, right? And because they're not treated equally. So, but this guy was part of that, and because of that, people voted for him. But now the thing totally changed. And then recently, also because of few liquor gate and a few problems he's got, right? I don't think he has got much respect anywhere. Because if personally speaking, we were his supporters. Absolutely 100% his supporters, because we believe in everything what Anna Hazare believes in, right? Because Anna Hazare is absolutely the right person to speak the right thing, and he did the right thing, everything, and I'm part of that thing, but I'm not part of what is happening now.
अच्छा, आप मुझे फ्री बीस के बारे में समझा रहे थे वहाँ पे कि बिजली फ्री दे दी, पानी फ्री दे दिया.
This is what basically now they've understood that Kejriwal has started this thing, and he also won Punjab thanks to that as well, right? Because Punjab has always been Congress, and BJP with the Akali Dal, right? They between them, they for many years they're so. When he came in and he went and gave the freebies, and he win the whole thing. It's a surprise to everybody. Now everybody is coming back to the same thing. But freebies are the worst thing can happen to any country. If the people understand that if you start giving things free of charge, it's not building, the economy is not growing, right? Because when people buy these things and produce these things and to pay for it, bring other people up, because then, that's, I know a little bit about finance, I can do 3M. If you put 1,000 rupees into the into the circulation, then it goes over 3 times. So because 1,000 rupees dete, so that 1,000 rupees they buy something and they'll keep other people, and it turns over and over again things. But if you give somebody free something, right, that's 1,000 pounds something, right, that doesn't go any further. The economy stops there. So, but this is the sort of things people need to be to understand. Freebies in the long run will bring the whole country down.
सर, आप बताइए कुछ.
मेरा तो कुछ पॉलिटिकल व्यू नहीं होता, लेकिन देखो मोदी जी ने तो गुजरात को बहुत बना दिया, बहुत बन गया. गुजरात इज ऑन टॉप नाउ. तो पर ही शुड डू सिमिलर थिंग्स फॉर अदर स्टेट्स एज वेल. I mean, look at the GT road now. It's blocked in Ambala. So people have to suffer, detour, you know, and which is not good. I mean, people are suffering for nothing. So that is not a good plan. People should be looked after and not treated like, you know, what they have
और
been treated.
दिल्ली चुनाव के बारे में आप दिल्ली में घूम रहे हैं,
दिल्ली में
कैसा
घूम
लग रहा
रहे
है
हैं, दिल्ली में देखो, दिल्ली में it needs discipline, traffic, chaos. You know, instead of 3 lanes, you have 5 lanes. That is not good. I mean, that is, as my friend said, you know, stopping the economy growing. Because today we went, you know, to some Morelli, and it's just 22 kilometers away, and it took us 2 hours to get there. I mean, what sort of, you know, economy is that, you know? You need speedy things. When things are done faster, at a faster pace, then, you know, that is more money in the kitty. And if it's not done quickly, then it's money wasted. Yeah, so I think Delhi needs to be regenerated.
अच्छा सर, आप पॉलिटिक्स में बहुत ज़्यादा रुचि रखते हैं। अब ये तो आप ही बताएंगे कि आप वहाँ पे बैठ के इतनी ज़्यादा इंडिया की पॉलिटिक्स में कैसे रखते हैं रुचि। लेकिन मुझे एक चीज़ जानना है, आपने मोदी जी के बारे में बात कर ली, आपने केजरीवाल जी के बारे में बात कर ली, तो अब क्योंकि माहौल चल रहा है, उत्तर प्रदेश का माहौल है, प्रयागराज महाकुंभ चल रहा है, ये सब, योगी आदित्यनाथ के बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं?
योगी आदित्यनाथ है ना, he is little bit like Modi, क्योंकि he doesn't, he's not doing for himself. वो खुद के लिए नहीं करता है, वो सारा कंट्री के लिए करता है, ओके यूपी के लिए करता है, और जो करता है ना, जो दिल से करता है और कंट्री के लिए करता है। लेकिन जो कुछ का आदमी उधर है, जो कुछ पार्टी भी है, they are really funded by overseas and just wants a vote just because, you know, they can help the other countries. Because पहले था ना, तो जो भी चीज़, even a pencil, I can remember long time ago, even in overseas, you know, in Africa and wherever, जिधर UK ने रूल किया ना, उधर सारा कुछ चीज़ें ना इधर से उधर जाते थे. They were manufacturing this biggest, not this country, I mean UK, manufacturing everything UK and selling these things to them. So उधर से चीज़ लाते हैं, raw material, इधर बना के उधर वापस देता है at a different price, different thing and different things. This is exactly what is happening towards a lot of other states, right? If you look at Kerala, at the moment Kerala doing very well, but if you look at Kerala, what's going on there, it is something, you know, is it, you know, they're not thinking of India as a whole. They're thinking as Kerala as a separate thing. That is not the right thing, because if they start thinking national, right, then everything's fine. I mean, if you look at many other states, really, where BJP is there, they're trying to become part of the national, one language, Hindi language, you know, one things like that. So they're thinking national, whereas some parts they want to keep themselves to themselves, because they got this gift from the previous governments that you can do this, you can do that, and you can do this, and you know, I got a lot of opinions about work boards and everything else, right? Because they've been gifted these things, and they create a lot of money to use for their own, you know, building up their own thing, not the nation. And that's what I think. I mean, look, now the new elections coming in other states, really, will all depend on a very simple thing. There's going to be a divide between Hindu Muslims, and so the Muslims will definitely vote for the Congress or another party, will not BJP, right? So if depending on the states and the population, right? So that is certain vote bank which they will get it or tell. They don't. I mean, the other parties sometimes. I mean, other means non-BJP parties. They don't need a lot of. They don't need a big percentage of Hindu vote to win the vote to election. And depending on which states there is an election, you can be guaranteed that the Muslim votes will go in one way, Muslim vote go, and the Hindu votes, proportion of that will go there, and then depends because BJP only is only Hindu vote. They don't have anything else.
तो ये आप समझिए कि ये लोग बाहर रह के भी भारत की राजनीति और दिल्ली की राजनीति में बहुत ज़्यादा रुचि रखते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सर ने समझाई कि फ्री बीज और ये सब सारी चीज़ें देश को नीचे ही करने के लिए ये जो सरकारें ये देती हैं और बस अपना वोट की राजनीति है ये। अब और भी लोगों से बात करेंगे और बताते हैं उनकी राय।